Now we have to order fractions. I want to write these smallest to largest. So sometimes it's hard to tell. If I get a common denominator, then it's easy to tell. So that's what I have to do. I have to change them all to the same denominator. So to get a common denominator, we need a number that every denominator will divide into evenly. And we want the lowest one. So the easiest way is we take the biggest denominator and we work up in multiples of that number. Multiples means that's times table. So 8 doesn't work. 3 doesn't go into 8. 6 doesn't go into 8. So now I go up and I go, well, 2 8s are 16. Problem is 3 doesn't go into 16 and 6 doesn't go into 16. So I try 3. 3 8s are 24. And I go, 3 goes into 24 and 6 goes into 24. So that's my LCD, which is lowest common denominator. So my lowest common denominator is going to be 24. So I'm going to change everything to 24ths. So it's just what we did for equivalent fractions. What do I multiply 3 by to get 24? 8. So I have to multiply my numerator by 8. So I get 16 24ths. What do I multiply 8 by to get 24? 3. So 3 times 7, 21. What do I multiply 6 by to get 24? 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. Now I have a clear view, they're all 24ths. So I have to write smallest to largest. So I'm going to get 16 24ths, then 20 24ths, then 21 24ths. But I have to write my original fraction. So 16 24ths was 2/3, 20 24ths was 5/6, 21 24ths was 7/8. So now I have them smallest to largest. We'll do one more. Let's say I have 4/5, 2/3, and 11/15. So now I have to write them smallest to largest. That's what I was told. I take the biggest one, which is 15, see if that works. And it does. That's my lowest common denominator. So I change everything to 15ths. What do I multiply 5 by to get 15? 3. So I multiply 3 by 4, that's 12/15. What do I multiply 3 by to get 15? 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 11/15 stays. So smallest to largest, my 10/15 is the smallest, which is 2/3. So 2/3 is my smallest. My next one is 11/15. I go to 12/15, which is 4/5. So now I have them smallest to largest.